Hey y'all, so the air conditioner turned off again. So let's go outside and turn it back on. It's about 111 degrees out here. The air conditioner turned off the first time, and I went out here and it was on this generator right here. It's orange and black one. But I plugged it up to this blue one and it cut off. So let's turn it back on again. Let's see. Turn the main breaker off. Turn the fuel off and turn the choker off. So unplug it. Let's turn it on again. And switch back on. Turn the fuel switch back on. And we don't need to turn the choke on because we're not cold starting it. So hopefully it'll turn on. Let's see. Now let's see if we can get some air. Because boy, oh boy, it's hot. And we're back. Let's see. It's on. Now let's see if it cut back off again. My gosh, hope it doesn't. To go outside so many times, turn this generator back on, back and forth, but we will see how everything turns out because getting kind of annoying. Probably need to do some more research on better ways to cool down the RV, figure out some more power sources or something. Alright, I'll be back. So the air conditioner turned off again. I gotta go outside and do the generator again, see what's wrong with it. Alright. Crazy. So if the generator don't stay on this time, I'm calling my husband because that's after 5 minutes. That's after 5 minutes of me cutting it back on after it cut off. Alright, y'all. So after fooling with that generator again, I got some unboxing to do. My subscriber who sent this box over with that thing on top. So y'all, I thought the generator cut off again by itself, but as y'all can see, my honey is home and he did something. I don't know what he did, but he got it now. Thank God for my husband, cause what? God dang. Quick update. He said that it's the oil that needs to be changed on the generator. So, like I said, thank God for husbands. Hey y'all, so we got some gifts. Let's do some box opening time. So my birthday is coming up on August 30th. So this is just an early birthday gift. Let's see what we got. What is this? I think this is a shower cover tent. That's very thoughtful. Thank you. Let's see what else is in the bag. I think this is for the drain, to drain the water. That's pretty cool. Hey, shit. Now we have pieces to an outdoor shower. I like that. Hey, shit. Sometimes way too hot in there. Take a shower. Oh, these are the stakes. I'm gonna have to learn to put this together. That's what's up. Thank you. I can see it's raining. I don't want to pop this open. I really want to see it, but I don't want to pop it open. Might not can get it back closed. So I'm gonna wait until I use it, till I put it up, and then y'all gonna see what it's like. Thank you, Connie. That's very nice of you. I see you listen. Listen to entire videos and what we said that we needed. And we appreciate you sending this out, because what? Who would have thought of that? That's crazy. What else we got? What else we got, Miss Connie? Ooh. We got the shower head and the bag. You just put the tube in and the pump into a bucket of water, and then it has different temperatures on here. Oh, it comes with a little baggie. I like that. And you got the hooks. I'm guessing. Oh, this is a hose. Yes, that is very thoughtful. I like early birthday gifts. This is the tube. This is the shower head. This looks nice. Turquoise. My daughter gonna love this color. Oh yeah, it's the pump. I don't want to take it out all the way. That is very thoughtful. She thought about everything that we might need for the outdoor shower. That's cool. Cause as y'all can see, oh, my husband removed the bucket, but it used to be a bucket sitting right here that will catch the water from out of the tub. And so in the meantime, in between time, we could just use this. Got the suction cups and to hold it up in the shower enclosure. Wow, that is very nice, Connie. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, what's next? I don't want to sit this on the ground. You got some microfiber cleaning cloths so we can clean out the shower. Ah, then we got a bucket. That's so the pump can go in here and fill it with the water. Wow. Yeah, you really thought of everything. That is very, very nice. Look at that. Wow. Okay. I had to figure out what this is. But it's a folding toilet seat. That is wonderful. Wow. Oh yeah. Because for our house that we plan on putting up there, we plan on having an outdoor bathroom. So this will really work for the outdoor bathroom. We already got the toilet, we got the shower, and we got a cleaning cloth. And then all we need is a portable sink. Wow. That is so dope. Thank you, Connie. Thank you so much. That is amazing. You really thought about everything. You know what? Let me open this. Because I wasn't. But I want to actually see what's in here. Look at that.
Come on in, grab a
That is
seat.
cool.
Yeah, we out in the desert, but we eating good tonight.
Something in here. Oh, wow. Absorbent Eco Gel.
Out in the desert where the
Pool
sun beats
absorbent
down.
for the
Put
porta
the
potty.
sanctuary
Look
miles
at
away
that.
from the town
Wow.
with a heart by
That's
hand
powerful.
cast iron on the
And it
heat.
comes with some
Making sure the
bags.
family's got something to eat. No
Biodegradable
delivery
toilet
drivers,
bags.
no concrete streets, just the sand, the wind, and these savory treats. Got the fire burning
That's
hot,
what's
getting
up.
ready to prep, making magic in the kitchen
If
with every
anybody
step. We cooking it
knows
up, fresh and
what
brand new.
we are
Daddy is
supposed to
upgrading
do
on the menu.
with the bags after we use them, do we supposed to bury them? Are we supposed to burn it? Do we take it to the landfill? Do we take it to Love's and like dump? I don't know. I have no idea. Let me know in the comment section below, cause what? They say it's biodegradable toilet bags. Yeah. Let me know, y'all. Okay. Cool. You ain't go all the way back down. See, I didn't want to break it. And we got one more box in here. Got a box cutter. Before I open this, I see a little note inside. I like notes. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Connie. Enjoy your gift from Connie. That's what all of the receipts say.
What's all this?
Oh yeah. That's whole bathroom setup. We got a whole bathroom setup. The only thing we don't have is the portable sink. But we're gonna get that, you know.
Sure.
Right. And then this is yeah, it's the enclosure part though. That's the shower head. So we don't have to take a shower out in the open. You know what I'm saying? That's what this for.
Well, I like taking showers out now. Thank you so much. CNA rough.
Right. Oh, look at that. Is crazy. And the good soap. Caramel and honey. Ooh.
We'll have all of that.
Look at this. Right. But at least we gonna be clean. Right. Come on, Buzz. Think. What? That? Wow. Ain't nothing you could do? Like return it, get another one? Oh yeah, shine through the clouds. Yeah, it is. My bad, y'all. Gotta show y'all this. Look at that. Let me turn the brightness down. That is beautiful. Wow. Look at our creator shining through. I love it. I love it. See, the views here is just gorgeous. Stand out here all night with your drink, your wine, beer, tea, coffee, whatever you drink, water, and just stare at the views all day. Get a nice book. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get back to the gifts. All right. So before we was interrupted by my honey and our creator's creation, we got some chamomile honey soap. Like, it's, y'all, it's so many soaps in here. It's like 100, 200 soaps in here. That is something. Gosh. We're gonna be clean all year. Hey, Miss Cotton. I'm just saying. No, we do not think. Oh, honey, I don't think you've seen this. We got a toilet too. Yeah, a foldable toilet. Some biodegradable garbage bags.
That is incredible.
Ain't that something? We have.
That's pretty awesome.
Thank you, Connie.
Thank you so much, Miss Connie. That's love. I'm over here working on electrical. Don't mind the noise.
I bet if Connie could have sent us some water with this stuff, she would have too. Look at that. Look at our creator showing out with his creations. Look at Miss Connie listening. Wow, that is amazing. But I do know one thing though. I'm going to use some of these right now. Shoot. Thank y'all for checking out my box opening. Early birthday gifts. Thank you very much.